Hi guys, welcome back to Divine Times 2. Today I have a recipe for you. I will be making lemon chicken. It's savory, it's lemony, and it is delicious, and I know that you will love it. Okay, for my delicious lemon chicken, okay? Thinly sliced chicken breast, however many you need for your family or even friends, okay? You need about half of a tablespoon of butter, some seasoning that I have. It's called it's a tropical seasoning, which has garlic, onion powder, Italian seasonings, lemon. Okay, look at this lemon, it's huge, it's beautiful. Lemon, and I have about a little more than a quarter cup of lemon juice. Okay, olive oil. And you will need a bag so that you can marinate the chicken breast for at least an hour before you start cooking them. Okay, you do want to get your chicken breasts and season them with the tropical seasoning. You want to add this to your bag. Finish putting all the seasoning in here. Add some olive oil. Move it around a little bit. Continue adding your seasoning packet. Add the seasoning as much as you like. You don't need to use the whole packet. I had already used a packet of the tropical seasoning for the chicken breasts. Close it up. Take out all the air. And marinate this for at least an hour in your refrigerator. Okay? After your chicken has been marinating for at least an hour in your refrigerator, turn on your pan and add the chicken breasts to it. Now, as you can see, I have lots of chicken breast cooking. I have at least 2 meals with making this chicken. Now, I haven't added any extra olive oil because I did marinate it with olive oil. So at this point, it doesn't need any. If I see that it does, I will add a little bit more. Now, you want to cook these chicken breasts until they're lightly golden brown. Not burned, lightly golden brown. I tell my friends that, and then they come up to me, oh, my chicken was burned. Okay, you cooked it for too long. It's hard and it doesn't taste good. Well, lightly golden brown. Well, I've turned them over. This is what it should look like up to now after you turn them over. See, it's lightly golden brown. You are going to now put the lemon in here, and all those little bits and pieces from the chicken, you are going to swirl it around and take it off with the lemon. Now here, remember, I have a little more than a quarter cup of lemon juice. I have about 7 chicken breasts, or 8. So you may want to cut the lemon juice in half. All right, so a little more than a quarter cup, make it a half if you have 4 chicken breasts. All right, so let's pour this in here. And all those little bits will come right off. Okay. That's flavor. What you see here, that is flavor. Add your chicken breast back in. By the way, that's the stove making that noise. Turn them over. After the chicken is heated with the lemon, okay, the butter that we had, just put little dollops of butter over the chicken. This will make a smooth and rich sauce. And of course, it adds flavor to the chicken and to the sauce. And at this point, you really don't have to cook it that much because it is already fully cooked. Remember, your chicken should have an internal temperature of 165 to be safe. You don't want to consume raw chicken. Now we can plate this up. All right, after I plated the chicken, don't forget that delicious sauce that we just finished cooking. And remember to pour it on top of the chicken. See how the sauce looks like a glaze? That's because of the butter and the lemon coming together. All right. Now for it to look nice, to present it, I'm using some cilantro. Just add a little bit on the top. If you don't need to do this, I'm just adding this just for a little bit of color. And of course, it adds flavor to it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It is delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try. Before I leave, I am going to try it. It is absolutely delicious. Delicious. Lemony, flavorful. Seasonings, the garlic, the onion. You need to give this a try. You will love it. Well, I love making this video. Remember to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notification button so you won't miss out on any of our videos. Remember to stay kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Bye.